Today is January 23rd. The 21st and the 22nd were awful. Snow, a lot of snow, 5 inches of snow. I didn't do anything. I just got my car started. I'm going to go food shopping. Come along with me. Like I said, I didn't do anything to the driveway. I didn't do anything to anything. Let's go. I'm going to leave this door unlocked. Well, ice is still ice. Here we go. Oh. My shoes are slipping. Small steps. Okay, walk on snow is better. Okay, good. The car is running. Looks like it's been melting underneath that. Looks like things been melting. Okay, put this down. Okay, good. Okay, let's go to the grocery store. You're not going to see this too often. Well, I won't see it in my lifetime, I'm sure. Myrtle Beach with snow and palm trees. So I take advantage of it. Let's stop at the clubhouse first. See what's going on there. Because this is very unusual. The parking lot normally would be full of golfers. But today, we see a police car on the left-hand side, and someone is in the clubhouse checking up on things, making sure there's no broken water pipes, everything is good, because today is Thursday, I guess, and Monday we'll be back to normal. All this will be melted, and I hope the golf course will be open. This is where we store the golf carts in that house. To your right, you see that's the green, full of snow with the tarp on top of it. And of course the clubhouse. Let's get out of here. This is all natural melt. No snowplows came through here, otherwise you would see piles of snow. No, it did not rain either. This is just water from the snow melting. The only place I heard that there was plowing done is on Route 9, which is our evacuation road. In case of any kind of disaster, this is the road we're supposed to take inland. But of course, I'll be going towards the beach. Only because that's where the grocery store is. Well, look at this. I will not see this again in my lifetime. Snow in Myrtle Beach. It is cold, but I had to get out of the house. I want to go grocery shopping. I don't expect too many people to be in the store, but you never know. Everybody feels the same way. We're all human beings. We all feel the same thing. We all want to get out. Unbelievable. Snow and palm trees. Alright, so we're approaching Route 9. I guess I'm heading east, or you could say south maybe. Everything seems to be open. Taco Bell is open. The bank is probably open. I mean, the roads. Look at them; they're clean. There are no snow, no ice. Yes, we have water. The water will freeze at night. You have to be careful. Use your common sense. The few that are left in this world with common sense, please use them. Otherwise, you'll be like the rest of them, slipping and sliding and causing accidents. Alright, so we're coming on to Route 57 or Road 57, which separates Longs and Little River. See, like this is all going to turn into ice. There is no salt here or brine. So I don't know how they do it at night. You know how I do it? I don't go out. No need for it. And once I make the right, about a quarter of a mile down, I have my pickleball courts. Well, that's coming on Monday. Everything else is closed. There's CVS right there. Everything you need is within minutes. A little further down, that's where the pickleball is. But right here is Tractor Supply and Food Lion, where I go food shopping. So I'm looking at the parking lot, and it looks full. Now I'm thinking, do I really want to go inside and buy a few groceries? Or should I just turn around and go home? I'm debating what to do. And the closer I get to the parking lot, the more I'm saying, just go home. You don't need this stuff. You could wait 1 or 2 days. But as I'm coming in, I see a car backing up. And that's where I normally would park on a good day. But it's an open spot right there. I'm going to take it. We'll take a look at the ice. As soon as I get out of the car, I'm going to slip and fall and break my head. So now I'm saying, do I really want to do this? I'm thinking about backing out and just going home. So let's see what I do. Oh, looks like I'm backing out. That's enough. I could wait a few days. I have everything that I need. Hey, but I see a guy walking out from the store. Let me ask him how the store is inside. Well, that conversation took 15 minutes. I figured, well, let me go and find a place where there is no ice in the parking spot. I don't mind walking. And I found one. Okay, let's go inside, get some of this ice off. By the time I come out, it'll be all melted.
So I stopped and talked to a guy, talked me into going into the store. I wasn't going to, but let's take a look what's inside. Let me shut the windows first.
Yeah, you see, this is where I was parked. Good luck to that person, slipping and sliding, getting the groceries in the car. And that's the road. See, no plowing. There's a guy out there with a shovel so he could get the carts in. Alright, did all my shopping. good to go. I got more things than I really needed. But I go shopping 3 times a week for odds and ends. Usually in the evening when I have nothing else to do. Feel safer here putting the groceries away. Okay, and that's that. Let's get out of here. So as you see, the roads are clear. The traffic is pretty much normal for this time of the day. 4 o'clock it gets busy when people are coming back from work. And of course, 8 in the morning. But otherwise, this is what you see is what you get. It's pretty much normal. Almost like after a rain. Have a good one. It's been a real adventure.